that your vacuum cleaner? Yeah, I don't know how to fix that either. Jonah, look what Mama found. It's a cow. What's a cow say?
Moo!
I'm going to make him say moo. Moo. Jonah, look at Mommy found a horse. What's a horse say?
Neigh!
Neigh. Let's make him say neigh. Neigh. Jonah, look at Mommy found. That's a lamb. What's a lamb say?
Bah!
Bah. Let's make him say bah. Bah. Jonah, what's a bear say? Okay. What's a pig? What's a pig say? Now this one we haven't taught you, so let's see if you know. Oh, Jonah, what's a pig say? What's a pig say?
Puppy.
Oink, oink. It says... Hello. Jonah, does a bear say grr? What's a bear say? You're busy? Okay. Jonah, can you say elbow? Yeah. Oh, that toy doesn't seem to work. We have to call the company. Jonah, was this your nose? Is that your nose? All right, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.